Hi and welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot of your computer screen using Python and the PyAutoGui Python library. So the first thing that we are going to want to do is go to our command line and we need to install this library. So we'll run the command pip install PyAutoGui. So this command is just going to get all the requirements, everything, and install the library. So after doing that, create a Python file and open it with your code editor. So we're going to start by importing this library into our project. So we'll say import PyAutoGui, and everything that we're going to do basically just takes 2 lines of code. It's that easy. So after saying import PyAutoGui, all we need to now say is we need to say PyAutoGui dot screenshots, and this is just going to take the screenshots first, but we need to pass in something into this parenthesis. Whatever we want this image file to be named is what we should pass into the parenthesis. So I want the image that we're going to create now to be named test.jpg, so I'm going to pass in test.jpg. Now take note that it has to be in a string format. So if you run this command now, a file named, let me run this command. As we are running it now, a file named test.jpg is going to be created in this directory, and you're going to see it's being created around this axis here. It's going to be created now. So it has been created. If we open this image, we're going to see that it's going to be the exact way our editor looks like. You can see it's a screenshot of how our editor looks like. So the next thing that I'm going to teach you is that what if you don't want this image to be saved inside this present directory? What if you want it to be saved somewhere else? It's very easy. All you need to do is pass in the file path to where you want this file to be saved, and we're going to pass in that file path inside this parenthesis. So what we're going to say is that, okay, let's say I want the image to be saved in my desktop. That is this area. What I'm going to say is I'm just going to pass in the file path and say c/users/iodg/desktop. Now if you are on a Mac or Linux, the file path is going to be different, so make sure you get the file path and just put it into the code like this. Now if we run this, a test.jpg file is going to be created in my desktop environment. So when it's done, I'm going to show you. It's done now. So if we go there, we can see a test.jpg file has been created. So you've learned how to take screenshots using Python. If this was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.